Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a new folio. Before I start making Christmas project, I decided to make one more autumn project. Um, I found this autumn paper collection. It's from Recollection from Michael's, and I love the colors of this collection. It's not typical autumn themed collection colors, but it's still for me feeling like really cozy, warm. Um, so it's really nice. I always struggling with this recollection paper because there are not that many decorative pieces there. So this time I just die cut some flowers from one paper sheet. I will try to show you um, like this. So I cut all this little stuff and use it as decoration, and also I used couple cards, and that's pretty much all. The folio, it's measured 6¼ by 6¼ fits around 22 or 23 photos. I don't remember for sure. So that's how it looks like. On the bottom there is still some space for your photos, so it's not like really bulky so far. That's good. And the size of this folio is perfect for 5 by 3½ inches photos. And in the previous video I told you that I fall in love with this double matting. I did it here as well, so you can see it's like some creamy paper. I think it's worked really good with this color scheme. So let's see what we have inside. So it's open like this. It's pretty much it's not very much. It's the same from both sides. So you can put photo here. This one 5 by 3½, as I told you, and if you want a smaller photo, of course you can put it as well. The flowers that I told you, just I got it, and here it's also open here, so you can put photo here. Sorry, it's so sunny right now, and it fits like that as well. So then it's open like this, and we have a space for a photo, and if you want you can do it like this and maybe write down something. And oh, of course, space for photo. Sorry. And this one actually fit the bigger photo, I believe. 6 by 4, but you couldn't see like the paper when you put that big photo, but if you want to be my guest, that's how it's look with a smaller photo. And it's open like this. I use the card here. It says this is our happy place. So maybe for me it's like the folios and albums like this is always good for like some family photo session. So for me it's the perfect saying. And it's a pocket here, so you can put photo here as well. And from the other side, I didn't mat this because I was worried that it will be really bulky. From this side we have 2 pockets. It's a tag here, enjoy the little things. You can write out something here. And from the other side it's space for smaller photo, of course. And there is one more photo mat for 5 by 3½ photo, and from the other side as well. So I believe you can even put more photo here because I still feel that there is some space here. A little bit decoration here, and it's open again, and you can put photo here, of course. And first I leave this place like for one big space for a photo, but then I decided to make a pocket. I die cut these flowers from one paper sheet and now it's a pocket, so you still can put photo here, and then you can put some photo mats and some notice card. And we can close this one. From the other side is pretty much the same, except the decoration again, bigger space for bigger photo or like whatever you want to put there. And it's open like this. The another tag: cozy blankets, perfect pumpkin, crunchy leaves, sparkling fires, cold days and warm night, love you fall. And it's also what's the word for this? It's foiled. So yeah, it has a nice sparkling, nice shine, and this paper as well, the sleeves. So it's also, and of course from the other side you can put the smaller photo, and one more photo opportunity. It's a pocket as well. This one is open, so if you want, for example, bigger photo, you just want to cut it a little bit, but or square photo, you can put it here. And it's also open like this. And we have another type of pocket as well. So again, you can glue your photo here, and then you can put photo mats. So that's pretty much all. Thank you for being with me, and see you soon. Bye.